Hello friends, this is Technology in Front. Again we are back. This is our concrete casting. Now we are going to cast our valve chamber wall concrete. But we are going to use concrete from batching plant delivered by concrete truck. Now already start pouring the concrete down to the box. You see? Now we are pouring concrete to the box so that later will be poured into our wall position. But first we have to wait for slab testing. Our quality control team is going to check which slab do we have within our concrete. So let us see the result from that testing. Please test quick. They are testing. Soon we know. Okay, now done. The first test, as I see, our slump result is 11.5 centimeters as they found. But now this is allowed so that we can continue our work. Slump testing is 11.5 and our specification talking 12 plus minus. It is allowed. Now we go. Okay, now they're starting pouring as you allowed them to do. Now they're pouring into the wall. See, but not only that testing done, even AIAC has checked by air meter, chloride by chloridometer, slump by cone, and also cubes molded for testing 7 days strength and 28 days strength. As you see, all testing done there outside. Okay, let's continue. As we've tested everything, now we are sure that our concrete will be good. As you see, these are results. Slump, air content, chloridometer. Okay, you see all temperature, concrete temperature, and also air temperature has checked. As you see, there's that table. Let us continue. But also, testing not only enough. Even we have to make sure that our concrete is being vibrated. You see now, this guy is vibrating. And also, look aside there. You are looking one labor tapping our formwork. He's using a soft hammer made from timber. It is a hammer made from timber. He's tapping so that during our formwork removal we'll get our concrete